Cloning isn't just for sheep. The first kind of life that humans learned to clone was plants. Watch this quick video on how to clone your tomato plants. I think this is what hooks one to gardening. It is the closest one can come to being present at creation. Phyllis Thoreau. Tomatoes are one of the easiest plants to clone. Lots of other plants can be cloned too, but tomatoes are the best way to get started learning the process. We covered suckers in a video a few weeks ago, but did you know that these suckers could be rooted in water or soil to create new plants? That's what we're doing today. Removing a sucker from a tomato doesn't only make your garden look better, it gives you a whole new plant that you can place in an empty space in your garden. The start of summer is too late to plant seeds for tomatoes where I live, but it isn't too late for seedlings that will end up producing a little later in the season. This is where clones come in handy. Place the removed sucker in water or soil. I opt for soil mixed with a lot of clean sand from my garden. When you first put it in, it'll look sad, but don't worry. Just keep it in a shady or dappled sunlight area and keep it well watered. It'll perk back up in a day or two. Give it up to 2 weeks and check the root progression. We're looking for a healthy root ball with thick white roots. Before putting it in the garden, make sure to remove any sun-damaged branches and flowering branches. We will want the plant to focus its energy on new green growth once we plant it. With the clone all cleaned up, we're ready to put it in the garden. Make sure to give it extra water after planting and keep it from getting overly sun exposed in the first couple of days. There you have it, a few simple steps to clone your tomato plants. Let's grow!